Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Android Wizardry. In our previous video we have seen how to toggle image inside an image view using switch or how to use switch, and what we found out that it was very similar to our checkbox. So now let's move to radio button. So what we are going to do today is, instead of switch, we are going to use our radio button to switch images. So our goal will be to learn the working of radio button. So now let's implement it. First the UI part. So for that you should have a radio group, and inside the radio group you will have your all the radio buttons for that particular group, because you only want to select one radio button out of two or three options. So let's give it a wrap content. Here ID we will give radio group, and orientation, so how you want to display the elements. So let's put them vertical for now. The radio button will be at the bottom, and now we will implement our radio buttons. So there are options: radio button, app compact radio button, or material radio button. So we are going to use material radio button. So again this will be wrap content. So this will be, let's say, option 1, text image 1. Let's say we put it like this. Also, you do not have to add another layout inside your radio group to align your radio group items. It will be either vertical or horizontal, because that's the very basic way. Here is the option 2, which will be our image 2. Alright, yeah, so we have our images here. You can obviously change the radio button how it looks and put this circle on the back side and text on the front side. That you can do, but let's not focus on the UI part. We are focusing on the working of radio button for now. Let's go in our code here. So we have our radio group. Alright, radio group is equal to find view by IDR or ID.radio group. So we have our radio group here, and now what we have to do is we have to do similar thing. Radio group dot set on check change listener, but instead of compound button it will be radio group on check change listener. So it is giving the checked ID and also the group. So what is this check ID? Check ID is basically the ID of these option 1 or option 2, whichever ID is checked by default. We can do that as well. We can like check some of the ID by default. What we can do is checked true, and by default this will be selected. Okay, and we are going to use this check ID like this to check which option is selected. And now let's just run our application and see how it works. So we have this here. Okay, you can just add the text color as black to make it more visible. And yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, so that's how your radio button works. And I hope you have liked the video, you have learned something new today, and make sure to like and subscribe. And in our next video, we are going to see another UI component.